Best Sport Motorcycles 2025, Honda CB500F. Honda has elevated the sport motorcycle segment with the launch of its 2025 CB500F, a bike that seamlessly blends performance, style, and practicality. Known for their reliability and engineering excellence, Honda has crafted a machine that appeals to both new riders and seasoned enthusiasts, making it a standout in the competitive mid-range category. The 2025 Honda CB500F is powered by a refined 471 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, which has been optimized for improved performance and efficiency. Producing 47 horsepower and 32 lb-ft of torque, this engine delivers a spirited yet manageable ride, perfect for urban commuting and weekend adventures. The CB500F's engine is mated to a 6-speed transmission, offering smooth and precise gear shifts, enhancing the overall riding experience. The 2025 CB500F showcases Honda's commitment to delivering versatile and high-quality motorcycles, said Yasushi Nomura, president of Honda Motorcycles. This model is designed to provide an engaging and enjoyable ride, making it an ideal choice for a wide range of riders. Visually, the CB500F embodies a modern and aggressive design. The bike features sharp, angular lines and a muscular stance, giving it a dynamic presence on the road. The full LED lighting system, including a distinctive headlight and taillight, adds to its contemporary look while improving visibility and safety. The sleek fuel tank and minimalist bodywork emphasize the bike's lightweight and agile nature. Rider comfort and ergonomics are at the forefront of the CB500F's design. The motorcycle boasts a comfortable, upright riding position, with a well-padded seat and ergonomic handlebars, ensuring a relaxed yet controlled ride. The suspension system, featuring 41mm front forks and a rear monoshock, provides a smooth ride over various road surfaces, enhancing the bike's versatility. The 2025 CB500F is equipped with advanced features to enhance the riding experience. The bike comes with a modern digital display that provides all essential information at a glance, including speed, fuel level, and gear position. Additionally, the CB500F features Honda's selectable torque control, which helps maintain traction on slippery surfaces, adding an extra layer of safety. Industry experts have praised the CB500F for its balance of performance, design, and practicality. The CB500F is a superb all-rounder, remarked motorcycle journalist Lisa Chen. Its combination of a responsive engine, modern styling, and advanced features makes it a compelling choice for anyone looking for a reliable and fun sport motorcycle. With its blend of innovative technology, sleek design, and dependable performance, the 2025 Honda CB500F reaffirms Honda's position as a leader in the sport motorcycle market. Enthusiasts and commuters alike are eagerly anticipating its arrival at dealerships, ready to experience the perfect fusion of sportiness and practicality that the CB500F offers. This new model is set to attract a diverse range of riders, solidifying its status as a versatile and accessible motorcycle for the modern rider.